Oh, the HATI Ultra 8K unboxing and accessories. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the HATI Ultra 8K gaming mouse. Woo! All the accessories that come with it are excellent. G-Wolves does such a wonderful job packaging and really giving you a ton of equipment, ton of bang for the buck, even though their stuff's expensive. Look at all these skates, man. They have like different sizes of skates. There's just incredible. Even the silica packet is scented lavender. That's wild. 2 bottoms, some spacers, just, man, and all of them come with these 4 packs of clay. Let me get this stuff back in here. I'll show you. All G-Wolves, at least all the G-Wolves products I've ordered, also come with grips and a sleeve. And then these 4 packs of molding clay that you mold to the mouse. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh, HATI Ultra 8K. Full disclosure, I already opened this one earlier on live stream, but I forgot to hit record. And I just looked up at my screen to make sure I'm recording again. All right, gray cord, nice quality, USB-C. This dongle, ooh baby, nice and blue. Standard G-Wolf style 8K dongle. Very pretty on this one though, nice and blue. I like that, very nice. Then we got the actual mouse itself in a nice little sleeve. Oh man, this is I'm excited for this one. This feels very similar to some of their other mice, but man, I think my hands are going to be compatible with this one. I'm very excited for this. That's a good one. Ooh, the scroll wheel's better. Woo! All right, I'm looking forward to that. I don't think I ordered it in black, but we're going to make do. Going to be happy with that. That is the unboxing of the HATI Ultra 8K. All right, stopping the video for this one. FragWatch out, but I'm keeping the live.